Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and connection right. This prevents weird errors later. First, plug the AC adapter into the base or insert fresh batteries into the handset. Make sure the charge icon appears. Next, connect the telephone cable from the base's line jack to the wall jack. You need a secure click. Once done, place the handset in the cradle so pairing can complete automatically, and watch for a confirmation tone or a steady display to show the system is ready. Now register and configure the phone so it functions how you want. You navigate menu to set date, time, and language, because accurate timestamps matter for caller ID and message logs. Then use menu right arrow handset right arrow register and press the physical base button if prompted. That links handset and base. After registration, adjust ringer volume and assign speed dial entries. These settings make everyday use faster and prevent missed calls, so take a moment to personalize them. Finally, use core features and know how to fix common issues. To call, press talk or lift the handset, dial numbers, and press END or replace the handset to hang up. Use flash for call waiting and speaker for hands-free. For voicemail, press the message key and follow prompts. If you get no dial tone, make sure the line is secure, power is connected, and batteries are charged. If needed, re-register the handset to the base. That usually resolves pairing or registration faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.